Hi, and welcome to this setup video on the Premium TIG 315 Pulse AC/DC. First of all, before you start, please ensure you read the operating manual and wear appropriate PPE. Now, let's get you up and running and ready to weld. So, the first thing you would want to do is to take the earth lead and plug it into the positive connection on the front. Then, take your TIG torch and plug this into the negative connection. This is always the standard setup, regardless if you are using AC or DC. Next, plug in your connector for your torch trigger. If you were to be using a foot remote, you would leave this cable disconnected and instead plug in your foot control. When using the foot control, you need to make sure you select the foot control operation by pressing the button on the control panel. You should now connect your torch quick fit connectors. The connectors will be labelled. The gas or green connector will go into the gas connection on the power source. The water cable, labelled blue, will go into the blue connection on the water cooler, and the remaining connector will go into the red connection on the water cooler. When filling the water cooler, please use the fill level guide at the side to indicate the correct amount. When you start welding, the cooler will start pumping water around your system. Please ensure you turn the water cooler on and the water cooler is selected on your control panel. You should now take the supplied Star Parts argon regulator and attach it to the gas cylinder. Then take the gas hose fitted with a 3/8 right-hand nut from the back of the machine and screw onto the regulator. Turn the regulator on by turning clockwise. Next, take the mains input cable from the back of the machine and fit an appropriate 3-phase plug for your 3-phase power socket. Note, the inverter will need a 32 amp supply. Please ensure the electrical installation is carried out by a competent, qualified person. Now, once the machine is turned on at the back here, you are ready to dial in your settings for AC or DC. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and check out our must-see setup videos for using the TIG inverter in DC and AC modes.